Dear student, today we are in our second lecture of alcohol, phenol, ether. In the last lecture, we are discussed about classification of alcohol. Yes, monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, polyhydric. Then after primary, secondary, tertiary. Allylic alcohol means once again carbon possesses double bond. Then after single bond, which is sp3 hybridized, and there is one OH group up. So which is allylic but primary. Why? OH containing carbon is attached with only one. Here secondary. Carbon double bond, then single bond, and there is OH group. OH containing carbon is directly attached with another two carbon. So secondary allylic. Here carbon double bond, then after single bond, there is one OH, and OH containing carbon is attached with another three carbon atoms. So which is tertiary allylic. So allylic also primary, secondary and tertiary. It never should be quaternary. Quaternary होतो નથી. Another classification is benzylic alcohols. Yes, what is benzylic? Benzene ring contains carbon, and there is one OH group. So this part is called benzylic. It means OH containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized. You can see all the bonds are sigma, 4 sigma bond sp3, and that carbon OH containing carbon is attached with the benzene ring. એટલે OH વાળો કાર્બન બેન્ઝીન રિંગ સાથે એટેચ હોય તો એને બેન્ઝાઇલિક આલ્કોહોલ કહેવાય. બેન્ઝીન રિંગ ઉપર ડાયરેક્ટ OH હોય તો ફિનોલ છે. This one is phenol. Here OH is not directly attached with benzene, but there is one carbon between benzene ring and OH group, and which is sp3 hybridized. So this one is the benzylic alcohol. In these alcohols, OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to a aromatic ring. For example, benzyl alcohol. There are also three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Now allylic and benzylic both. Allylic should be primary, secondary and tertiary, like this. Benzylic alcohol should be primary, secondary or tertiary. You can see here OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized, and that carbon attached with benzene ring. So benzylic alcohol, clear. But OH containing carbon, એટલે જે કાર્બન ઉપર OH છે, which is connected with one carbon, so that is the primary benzylic alcohol. Now here you can see OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized, and that carbon is connected with the benzene ring, so benzylic. But OH containing carbon is attached with another two carbon atoms, so that is the secondary benzylic alcohol. Understood? Now what about tertiary? Here OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized, and that carbon connect with the benzene ring, and particularly OH containing carbon is attached directly with another 3 carbon atoms. So tertiary benzylic alcohol એટલે OH વાળો કાર્બન બેન્ઝીન રિંગ સાથે હોય તો બેન્ઝાઇલિક કહેવાય. ક્લિયર? અને એ OH વાળો કાર્બન sp3 હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝ હોવો જોઈએ અને જો તે કાર્બન બીજા એક જ સાથે અટેચ હોય તો પ્રાઇમરી, બે સાથે અટેચ હોય તો સેકન્ડરી and with 3 attached હોય તો tertiary કહેવાય. So allylic and benzylic alcohols may be primary, secondary and tertiary. Now OH containing carbon, आज classification હતું. In all the cases their OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized. Now we are going to discuss about OH containing carbon is sp2 hybridized. This alcohol contains OH group bonded to a carbon-carbon double bond. So that is called it is called vinylic carbon or aryl carbon. In the case of benzene, which is aryl, in the case of ethene, which is vinylic. This alcohol is also known as vinylic alcohol. Yes, you can see in the ethene 1, 2 and 3 sigma and pi bond. For finding hybridization, to detect hybridization, pi bond we are not considering. So bonding pair is 3, lone pair is 0, value of x is 3. So which is sp2 hybridized? This one also. Both carbon is sp2 hybridized. Here one OH group attached. So OH containing carbon is sp2 hybridized. અત્યાર સુધી જે ક્લાસિફિકેશન હતું એમાં OH containing carbon was sp3 hybridized. Now here OH containing carbon પોતે itself is sp2 hybridized. So that is called a vinylic alcohol. Yes, this one is a vinylic alcohol. Understood? Now monohydric alcohol. Now phenols. Phenols also mono, di, tri phenols. Benzene ring contains here in the benzene ring you can see our all the carbon atom possesses 3 sigma bond, single bond है बदा sigma, one is pi. So here bonding pair is 3, lone pair 0. So whenever value of x is 3 means sp2 hybridization. It is sp2 hybridized. All the carbon in the benzene ring, remember, is sp2 hybridized, and here OH group is attached. But this is not vinylic, but this one is aryl. Aryl, yes, aryl group, benzene ring. So this is not alcohol, this is phenol. OH containing carbon is sp2 hybridized, and that carbon is member of benzene ring. So aryl alcohol. It means phenol. So monohydric. Here is also monohydric. This is actually cresol. Two OH and methyl are very close to each other. This one is orthocresol. Orthocresol. In nomenclature માં જોશું. Actual name is 2-methyl-phenol. Here we are discussing only classification. Nomenclature comes in our next lecture. Here dihydric alcohol. Here is 2 OH group. So dihydric phenol. This one is trihydric phenol. Actual benzene 1,2-diol. Here 1,2,4 triol. In the benzene ring, whenever one OH group is present, so monohydric phenol. Whenever benzene ring there are two OH group, so dihydric, and if there are three OH groups, so trihydric. Now classification of phenol and alcohol is over. Now we are going to classification of ethers. Ethers are classified as simple or symmetrical. Yes, ethers are two types. Ether means oxygen combines both inside with carbon, so which is called ether. Now you can see from this part, left hand and right hand side, both part appear same. So that is symmetrical. સિમ્પલ બે સાઈડથી સેમ દેખાય છે એટલે જ્યારે ઓક્સિજન સાથે એટેચ્ડ હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન પાર્ટ, alkyl part, aryl part are similar. So that is the simple or symmetrical ether. And whenever both the group on the both sides of oxygen are different. Here is methyl, here is phenyl. Here is methyl, here is ethyl. So both are unsymmetric or mixed ether. This one is simple, both side methyl group, otherwise both side phenyl group. So these are simple. If the alkyl or allyl group attached to the oxygen atom are the same, so which is simple or symmetrical, and mixed or unsymmetrical if the two groups are different. So diethyl ether, this is ethyl. Diethyl ether is a symmetric alcohol. Symmetric ether is a symmetrical ether, diethyl ether. Whereas ethyl, methyl ether, ethyl, methyl ether, both side different group. Then ethyl, phenyl ether, both hand side, left hand side and right hand side, functional group of hydrocarbon part are different, so which is unsymmetric ethers. So ether also classified into two, simple or yes. Now in-text question 11.1. Read carefully our question first. Classify the following as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Classify the following into primary, secondary and tertiary. Yes, how can we define, sir? You can see OH containing carbon. જે કાર્બન ઉપર OH છે which is connected with only one carbon. આની સાથે નથી. So this one primary. સમજાણું? OH containing carbon is whenever attached with another one carbon, so that is primary. Now this one also, OH containing carbon is attached with only one carbon, so that is the primary. Now OH containing carbon is attached with one carbon, so primary. Here OH containing carbon is attached with another two carbon directly, so this one secondary. OH containing carbon here also attached with another two carbon, so So secondary. Here OH containing carbon is attached with another 3 carbon. So that is the tertiary. Whenever OH containing carbon is attached with another 1 carbon, so primary. Once again you can see આ OH વાળું કાર્બન કેટલા સાથે અહીંયા કઈ નહીં, એક જ સાથે કનેક્ટેડ દેખાય, પ્રાઇમરી. આ OH વાળું કાર્બન આખું લઈ લેવાનું, કેટલા કનેક્ટેડ છે, પ્રાઇમરી. આ OH વાળું કાર્બન 1 and 2 સાથે કનેક્ટેડ છે, સેકન્ડરી. OH containing carbon 1 અને 2 સાથે કનેક્ટેડ, સેકન્ડરી. Here OH containing carbon directly attached એટલે જે કાર્બન ઉપર OH હોય તે itself કેટલા સાથે કનેક્ટેડ છે, 3, so tertiary. Now 11.2 identify allylic alcohol in the above example. Allylic means જે કાર્બન પર OH હોય. OH containing carbon should be sp3 hybridized, but neighbor carbon of it should be sp2 hybridized. એટલે OH વાળો કાર્બન sp3 hybridized હોય, એનો neighbor carbon sp2 હોય, so which is allylic. The second one is allylic. This is not allylic, sp3 hybridized. This one sp3 double bond નથી, એટલે OH containing carbon છે એ ડબલ બોન્ડ વાળા કાર્બન સાથે અટેચ છે, that is not allylic. This one is not allylic. OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized, but that carbon is not connected with double bond having carbon like this. So this one not allylic. 2 is allylic. Now this one is not allylic. OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized and it should be a benzene ring છે. This is benzylic, not allylic, but this one is benzylic, but in question asked is allylic. So this is not allylic, benzylic. OH containing carbon is attached with benzene ring, so this is benzylic, not allylic. This one not OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized and that carbon connected with another carbon which is also sp3 hybridized, single bond having. benzylic એ નથી ને allylic એ નથી. આ OH containing direct અહીંયા આવું છે, આ part. This one OH containing carbon is sp3 hybridized, you can see, and that carbon is attached with the sp2 hybridized carbon. એટલે OH વાળા કાર્બન નું sp3 હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝેશન છે, એના પછીના કાર્બન પર ડબલ બોન્ડ છે, so this one is allylic. So 2 and 6 is allylic. Now we are going to discuss about nomenclature. Nomenclature. In the nomenclature there are two type of names, common and IUPAC. A alcohol, first nomenclature of the alcohols. The common name of an alcohol is derived from the common name of the alkyl group and adding the word alcohol to it. For example, so for આપણે પેલા common name લેશું. CH3 means methyl. For OH we are adding their alcohol. So common name of the compound is methyl alcohol. Understood? So for this type of nomenclature we have to remember some functional group of the alkyl group. Yes, alkyl group CH3 methyl, CH3CH2. Otherwise, insert C2H5 sometimes. Here dash means one nitrogen is less. This group is methyl, and when we combine OH, so methyl alcohol. Here is OH, then ethyl alcohol. સમજાઈ ગયું? એટલે આ જે આલ્કાઇલ ગ્રુપ્સ છે, આલ્કાઇલ, એમાં નામ લખ્યા પછી પાછળ આલ્કોહોલ લખવામાં આવે, મિથાઇલ ઇથાઇલ. In 3 carbon, 1 hydrogen less in end. This one or this one? આ સાઈડ કે આ સાઈડ? So normal propyl. Insert C3H7. Normal propyl. If 3 carbon and 1 hydrogen less in the middle one, so isopropyl. હવે આ જે આલ્કાઇલ ગ્રુપ્સ છે ને, એના કોઈ રૂલ્સ નથી. જે સાયન્ટિસ્ટે આપેલા, મેથેનમાં 1 હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ મિથાઇલ, ઇથેનમાં 1 હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ ઇથાઇલ, પ્રોપેનમાં લાસ્ટમાં એક હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ નોર્મલ પ્રોપાઇલ, પ્રોપેનમાં મિડલમાં એક હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ આઇસોપ્રોપાઇલ. અહીંયા OH હોય તો નોર્મલ પ્રોપાઇલ આલ્કોહોલ, અહીંયા OH હોય તો આઇસોપ્રોપાઇલ આલ્કોહોલ. અંડરસ્ટુડ? In written in short, in abbreviated form like this. Sometimes this is isopropyl. આ બધું પાકું કરી નાખજો. You have to remember C3H7 normal propyl, CH3CH isopropyl, and whenever number of carbons are 4, so that one is a normal butyl. 4 carbon and 1 hydrogen less in the end. Normal butyl. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. That is the secondary butyl. Yes, sir. અહીંયા ISO છે, अलग આવશે. A normal butyl. In return, insert C4H9 કહેશું. Normal butyl. This one is a secondary butyl. Sometimes it written like this: CH3, CH, CH, CH3, C2H5, આ side ethyl, આ side methyl, and CH dash. Secondary butyl. અહીંયા એક હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ હોય, એટલે 4 કાર્બન હોય, તેમાં લાસ્ટમાં એક હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ હોય તો નોર્મલ butyl. આ સાઈડ કે આ સાઈડ એક લેસ હોય તો સેકન્ડરી butyl. બરાબર? અહીંયા એક લેસ છે કે અહીંયા છેડા સિવાય, ટર્મિનલ સિવાયના મિડલ અચાનક 2 કાર્બનમાં કોઈ પણ એક હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ હોય તો secondary butyl. Now what about isobutyl? You can see both are different. This isopropyl, this one is isobutyl. In the common name, we are counting all the carbon including branch. And branch સહિતના પણ કાર્બન ગણવાના હોય છે. Here total number of carbon is 4, so butyl. Understood? And there is one branch. એટલે જે કાર્બન ઉપર હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ છે, એના પછી આ નેબર કાર્બન ઉપર મિથાઇલ એઝ એ બ્રાન્ચ છે. So that is the isobutyl. In total number of carbons are 4. 1 hydrogen less on the end. અને એના પછીના કાર્બન ઉપર મિથાઇલ is a branch. Total number of carbons are 4 and 1 branch one branch on the second position of the end chain and it is methyl, so it is called isobutyl. Total number of carbon are 4 and one branch on the second position of the end chain and it is a methyl, not ethyl, so isobutyl. Isopropyl છે, isobutyl છે, both are different. Now then, after total number of carbons is 4, like this. This is tertiary butyl. One hydrogen less on this carbon and that carbon is attached with another 3, so that is the tertiary butyl. In salt, Ca3 twice C sometimes comes in written in a book. This is tertiary butyl. Understood? Why tertiary? One hydrogen less જે કાર્બન ઉપર છે એ બીજા 3 સાથે એટેચ છે, ટર્સરી. અહીંયા OH હોય, so tertiary butyl alcohol. Now whenever total number of carbons are 5, for 5 carbons CH3 CH2 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 dash. અહીંયા one hydrogen less છે, so normal pentyl. Total number of carbons are 5 and one hydrogen less in middle, not in end. આ બધા straight line માં હોવું જોઈએ. C5H11 also for this one. Normal pentyl. This one is the secondary pentyl. In the 5 carbon, suppose here, here or here, one hydrogen is less and so it is called a secondary pentyl. 5 કાર્બન માં એન્ડ ઉપર 1 હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ હોય તો નોર્મલ પેન્ટાઇલ. 5 કાર્બન માં એન્ડ સિવાય પાછા સ્ટ્રેટ લાઈન માં હોવો જોઈએ. અહીંયા કેમ 1 લેસ તો સેકન્ડરી પેન્ટાઇલ. Now isopentyl, we discussed about it. 3 કાર્બન માં મિડલ માં એક લેસ હોય તો આઇસોપ્રોપાઇલ. પછી આઇસો 4 કાર્બન માં ડિફરન્ટ છે. અહીંયા લેસ હોય અને એના પછીની કાર્બન ઉપર એઝ એ બ્રાન્ચ મિથાઇલ, તો ધીસ વન. તો સેમ કે જે કાર્બન ઉપર હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ છે એના પછીના કાર્બન ઉપર એઝ એ બ્રાન્ચ મિથાઇલ હોય. અને જેમ સેમ ધીસ વન ઇઝ કોલ્ડ isopentyl. Total number of carbons are 5. Now what about this? Total number of carbons are 5 but one hydrogen less, એટલે જે જગ્યાએ OH combine થશે the functional group itself directly connected with 3 carbon, so tertiary pentyl. And now what about this? Yes, this is neopentyl. Condition for neo, એટલે જે કાર્બન ઉપર હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ એના પછીના કાર્બન ઉપર 2 બ્રાન્ચ એઝ અ મિથાઇલ. અહીં કેમ 1 બ્રાન્ચ, એટલે જે કાર્બન ઉપર હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ છે એના પછીના કાર્બન ઉપર 1 બ્રાન્ચ મિથાઇલ, અને જે કાર્બન ઉપર હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ છે એના પછીના કાર્બન ઉપર 2 બ્રાન્ચ હોય અને 2 મિથાઇલ હોય. સો total 5 carbons on neo. આ બેમાં ભૂલ નહીં કરતા. અહીંયા OH containing carbon attached with 3, so tertiary. And OH containing carbon is attached with 1. This is not tertiary, but neopentyl. આ બધું યાદ રાખવું પડશે. Don't make mistake. Now some another functional groups we are going to discuss. In the ethene, if one hydrogen less, so we discuss vinyl. Here OH comes vinyl alcohol. In the propene, one hydrogen less, double bond by single bond in OH, allyl. Benzene ring contains CH3 is toluene. Everybody knows there is one hydrogen less over it. So benzyl, this one is benzyl, one hydrogen less in the toluene. In the benzene, one hydrogen less phenyl, not phenol. In toluene, one hydrogen less benzyl. If two hydrogen is less, benzyl. And if three hydrogen is less, so benzo. Phenyl, allyl, phenyl, benzyl, benzyl and benzo. So this type of functional group we will use in common nomenclature. તો આ બધું પાકું કરી આવજો, પછી આપણે આગળ જશું. Till then, bye.